Okay, so I really just wanted to walk you through how to make up machine work since there was an absence this week. So when students log into Canvas, they're going to hit this right here, the tile for math class. I'm going to view in student view so you can see what a student's version looks like, not mine. And here's the home page. Here's where they'll go to attend class. Just click here to go to the daily work. So modules is a word you'll hear in all of your classes. Okay. So Tuesday 9-1 or Tuesday 9-3, they're going to say start here. This is where we are going to start with class. And here are the directions. Students can read the directions, or they can hit this play button that's blue right there in order to have the directions read out loud to them, because I know students don't like to read, and that's okay. And then there is what we did in class. There's about 15 minutes of what we did in class for them to watch and upload and get going. Then in this particular day that they missed, they're going to have a discussion, and they'll play these directions, and it'll tell them how to, or what the discussion is about. And then if they go down here, they're allowed to do their discussion verbally. They can upload a video, and it shows them how to do it, or they can just simply type. So they won't be able to see other students' responses until they reply themselves. And then the last thing to do, if you'll see this red stop sign, is end here. It's the Who Are You survey. So it's a survey that I need students to complete. So if you're Miss Grow student, which you are because you're getting this email from me, you're going to hit play or hit that button, and it's going to take you to a survey that I need you to fill out just so I can get to know you. If you need the survey read out loud to you, you can hit play right here. So have you replied to the discussion, responded to someone's post, and completed the survey? If yes, then stop. You're done with today's activities, and I'll see you next class. So that's how you'll work through this week's activity, and in the future, if absent or maybe just doing this asynchronously, you'll just go from start to finish and follow each of the steps.